Hey girl, hey, it's me, Desiree, and as you can tell by the title, I have a wig review for you guys today. So I did get this wig from Geniuswigs. I did spend my own coin because don't nobody know me and ain't nobody sponsoring my ass, okay? So this is a real honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what came with the wig. This is clearly the wig. Then it also comes with 2 wig caps, like the ones you get from the beauty supply store. And then it also comes with an adjustable strap as well. And it also came with straps on the wig, and I will give you guys details about the wig later on. And then this is the wig, so it comes with, the little hairnet on it, fresh out the pack, not customized, not washed or anything. I am going to wash it. I'm going to show you guys the construction of it. It does come with 3 combs and a strap on it that has hooks on the straps, which at first I thought I liked that, but I kind of don't. It's kind of annoying. And then it has like that fake scalp thing inside the wig. I don't know if I like that either, but actually I kind of do. Okay, so here I just washed the wig and I'm showing you guys a little bit of hair that did come out of the wig. So for this video, I wanted to see if this wig was very beginner friendly. Typically, I bleach the knots on my wig, but I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I also pluck, but I did not pluck this wig. I wanted to see if it could really be that let me throw this wig on and walk out the door kind of wig. So you guys will see what I think about that in my review portion. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig. I did use the Got to Be Glued freezing spray. I'm not going to touch much during this portion, so I will see you guys in my review portion of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you so much. That really helps me with my videos and let me know that I am doing what you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. You guys, I'm such a liar. I said I wasn't going to talk much, but if you guys do want to see me rock this wig, because I am rocking it and styling it and whatnot, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at original_G___. That's original_G__. It's right there in the right hand corner for you guys. Go ahead and follow me. All right, I'm out. Here I ended up taking off the scarf mid me waiting for the glue to dry and cutting off that a little bit of the excess lace, not all the way to the hairline, just because the baby hairs was hanging in my face and that lace was hanging in my face, and girl, I couldn't do it. So this is just me cutting off some of that excess lace. Girl, tell me why I can't park to save my life. She need help. She need help. Okay, honey. I don't understand why I have this problem. I cannot park. So, period. Like I said, I didn't really customize this wig. Clearly that hairline needs a little bit of customization, but I wanted to make it a point of it being a throw-on wig. Now, if you're just throwing it on, you're not too worried about the baby hairs and like the sides and stuff. You just need that part to really look good, because that's what's really going to be showing. Okay, you feel me? If you're really trying to just throw this wig on and go. But yeah, clearly if you want to wear it like frontal style, baby, that hairline needs a little bit of work. Not too much, but a little. I also did want to mention that I did not put too much product in this hair. I literally just washed it, lightly conditioned it, and put like, I think I put like a little bit of a curling cream or something. Nothing crazy, and then this mousse. So I didn't put too much product in it. Okay, you guys, hey, so before I get into the details of this wig, just a few things. First of all, don't mind my eyelashes, okay, sis. They look a little wonky, and I'm convinced that they're not the same lash at this point. But I ain't had time to put no other pair of lashes on, so ignore that. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. If you made it this far, then you need to be subscribed. You need to be liking and commenting, and that's on period. And why you not doing it? Because it's free. Like, it really is free out here. And if you fucking with me like this, then what's good? Like, what's tea? Okay, but anyway, so I'm gonna get into this wig. First of all, let me go ahead and give y'all a little bit of a, let y'all up in my sauce right here. On the hairline, here we go. Okay. Now, as you guys saw from the beginning, child, girl, what the fuck I be doing? But as you saw in the beginning, or maybe I said it in the video, I probably said it, I did no customization to this wig. I didn't even bleach the knots. I'm trying to really see if she's beginner friendly out here. Like, I'm really trying to see, like, can I wear her straight out the box? Like, what's good? Like, what's tea? So I did not pluck. I plucked the hairline a little bit, and you'll see that. And I plucked right here just a little. But yeah, I didn't pluck. I didn't even bleach my knots, which you probably could tell right here. I didn't even really, now that I think about it, girl, I didn't put no makeup on my hairline. But I did put makeup on the lace. But I usually like to go back in and put makeup on, but she's still cute, so that's what she's giving. Okay. Yeah, so no customization, no bleaching. I did use the Got to Be Glue hairspray method, and that did work this time. Yay me. So yeah, I used the hairspray and not the glue. Just hair. Let me go ahead and give you guys details on the wig. This is from Geniuswigs, as you've seen. And what's the name of this wig? I don't think this wig has a name. And if it does, then I'm stupid. Oh yeah, okay. So it says fake scalp Rihanna curly bob with 13x6 deep parting human virgin hair wig. And the hair color is natural color. I got the length 12 inches, the density 180%. They said it was the left part. I think it did come with like a left part, but when I went and washed it, of course the parting got whatever. And then cap size, I got large 23 inches because I got a big ass head. And single knots and HD lace. And I got the invisible knots, fake scalp, and detachable band. And also the lace color brown. And the shipping took a minute. I'm not gonna lie, the shipping took quite a while. It took them almost 2 weeks to ship my wig. But once they shipped it, it got here pretty fast. It got here in like 3 days. But it took them about 2 days, but they did put on 2 weeks. But they did put on here, because I got the invisible knots, fake scalp, and detachable band, that added 7 days to the processing time. So they do let you know ahead of time, like, sis, you want that, it's gonna be extra 7 days. So I'm looking for a wig. This is a decent price. How much did I pay for this wig? I didn't even give y'all that. I got it for, it was $189.75. I used a coupon code, and I got it for $174.75. So yeah, so I used the coupon, and that's how much it costed. That's actually a really good price for this wig. And because I can just tell upon, look at that girl. Ooh, ooh, baby. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm giving Megan right now. Now I'm just playing. But I could just tell, like, from getting the wig, the curl pattern, she don't need much. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, you guys, let me know if you want me to do an updated, like, update on this wig, like, because I literally just got this the first time I put it on. So I do plan to wear it. This is gonna be my little throw-on wig when I go to the grocery store, or, you know, just going out real quick and I don't really feel like doing my hair. I have been wearing my hair in like twist out, so I'll twist my hair up and wear the twists for like 3 days, and then when I pull them out, I don't want to put them out necessarily the next day, but sometimes that next day it's like, oh, let's do this, let's do that, or grocery store, or doing something outside, and I'm like, damn, I just twisted my hair yesterday, I don't want to pull it out just yet. So guess what, I could just boop, pop this on and be like, oh, she cute. Okay, you guys, so that is gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. Do you think it's cute? Okay, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you made it this far and you ain't like the video yet, like, sis, what you really doing? If you made it this far, you ain't subscribed, what you doing? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.